What is an apex in Formula 1 racing? An apex is basically the point of the turn at which the car touches a curb and then it will accelerate off. So let's see an example. So here we can see this turn. So the driver wants to get the perfect turn where you can steer as less as possible. The less steering allows for more straight line speed and thus you can just go really quickly. The car is going to brake before turning at this point and then turn at this angle where you can just touch the curb and then slingshot away. The point where you touch the curb is called the apex. Let's see a few more examples. Here the driver sees a turn, then brakes, then here is where he touches the apex. He now has a straight line to where he can purely accelerate and gain speed. Once again we see here the driver has touched the apex. Here we have a top-down view of what an apex looks like. Here the driver touches the apex which allows him to exit the turn quickly. But what is a late apex? A late apex is where you brake later but then you hit the apex later, meaning you get a better straight line and can accelerate more. Using later apexes is better for you in different types of turns and can be useful in overtaking. An early apex is basically the opposite of a late apex, where you brake early and then have to turn earlier. This can sometimes be effective in overtaking. So that's basically it guys. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you learned something new. If you did, tell me in the comments below and I hope to see you next time.